Welcome to Sure Success. I am here with a short video which will be very important for you all. There is a big update for you all and most of you might have come across it after seeing the thumbnail of this video. Yes, CBSE has already released the date sheet of Term 1 examination that we will be discussing over here in this video. Now let's see the dates in which the subject falls so we can prepare accordingly. And also there are some important information given within your date sheets and I'll be discussing everything and make you understand in this video all the information that are given within your date sheets. Okay, in this video we will be discussing date sheets of both class 10 and 12 CBSE. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, image on your screen is the date sheet of class 10 CBSE. As you can see here written Central Board of Secondary Education Secondary School Examination Term 1 2021-22 class 10 date sheet major subjects. And one more thing, this is the date sheet of major subjects which you all have, like social science, science, home science, mathematics, etc. Okay, here in the first column you can see day, date and time is given, subject code and subject name. Okay, the first subject is social science, which will be held on 30th of November and followed by science, which will be held on 2nd December, followed by home science, which will be held on 3rd of December, followed by mathematics. Mathematics are of two categories, mathematics standard and mathematics basic. Students has already chosen one within these two. Okay, this will be held on 4th December, mathematics. And computer application will be held on 8th December, followed by Hindi course A, course B. Both the exam will be held on same day, that is 9th of December, and English language and literature will be held on 11th of December. These are the subjects of class 10 and the timing for all the examinations are 11:30 AM to 1 PM. Okay, this is the date sheet of class 10 CBSE. Okay, now the image shown on your screen is the date sheet of class 12 CBSE. As you can see, everything is similar as class 10th. So let us directly go to the subjects. First subject is sociology, that will be held on 1st December, followed by English core, that will be held on 3rd December, followed by mathematics, that will be held on 6th December, physical education 7th December, business studies 8th December, followed by geography 9th December, physics 10th December, psychology 11th December, accountancy 13th December, chemistry 14th December, economics 15th December, Hindi elective and Hindi core, that will be held on 16th December, followed by political science 17th December, biology 18th December. After that we have history on 20th December, informatics practical computer science on 21st December, and home science 22nd December. These are the major subjects of class 12 and this is the date sheet of 12th CBSE. And the timing for the 12th class are from 11:30 AM to 1 PM. So the image on your screen are some information provided along with your date sheets. As I already told at the beginning that I will be explaining everything in the video. So let's start the information explanation. So the both information for both classes are similar. So I will explain from the date sheet of class 10. Date sheet of minor subjects will be provided to the school separately. The examination of the subjects will start from 17th of November 2021. As I already told that the date sheet is of major subjects, minor subjects are not been included in this date sheet. So the minor subjects will be provided to the school separately itself and the examination will start from 17th November of these minor subjects. Okay, along with above examinations of class 10, examination of minor subject of class 12 will also be conducted. As the minor subject of class 10 is being conducted from 17th of November, class 12 minor subject will also be conducted in some dates. Duration of each paper of major subjects will be 90 minutes. That means you will be getting 90 minutes to complete your paper. That is 1.5 hours. That is enough time to fill up your paper because this time you will be getting MCQ type questions. So it is enough time to finish your paper within 90 minutes. Reading time will be 20 minutes instead of 15 minutes. As before we used to get 15 minutes to read our question paper, but this time time has been increased. 5 minutes has been given extra to read the question paper. 20 minutes total will be given to read the question paper. Keeping in view winter season, exam will start at 11:30 am instead of 10:30 am, as because of pandemic our exam has been postponed, so it is now winter season approaching. So keeping in view, time is being like shifted to 11:30 instead of 10:30 am. So further, other desired information regarding examination will be provided in the admit card and by the schools. CBSE will also update schools, candidates and parents on examination through various other modes from time to time. Okay, admit card, other required certificates will be provided to schools itself, and CBSE will update school parents and students on other modes like websites and all. Information circulated on social media may not be taken into consideration. That means there are lots of rumor that gets spreaded in social media. Do not take it into consideration. For authenticity of any information, always verify it on the CBSE website www.cbsc.nic.in. This is the website of the CBSE boards. So for any doubt you have, like in any news or any updates, do verify it on this website. Okay, by this we come to an end of the video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, do like, comment and share, and the ones who are new to channel, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for our latest video updates. Okay, thank you.